Welcome back guys. So we are back with another video. In our last video we have created a small part of our game in which we have added the counter, we have added an invisible enemy, and we have added the gates. So we are modifying this and we are working on UI today, so let's get started. So let's go to our 3D world, and I think we should add some lines here. So for that, just go to the shape asset library, shapes, and in shapes, double click cube, select cube, drag and drop the cube here on the ground, and now you just have to scale this down, like scale like this, and position it in this. We just have to make it in the center so that when we scale this, yeah, looks fine. Now we have to control C and control V, and we have to add the same thing at this side. Yeah, I little bit levitation, and again we have to just control C and control V, and yes, this looks perfect. So let me add this quickly in everywhere, in this level and in the next level. Finally we have added all the walls here, so I this cube should be cube only. Now we are adding a 3D animation. Right now what is happening when it collides with the wall, it shows a 2D animation. And so just go to the hero, and in this animation section, like in this, like you have to delete this animation node, and in action you will find debris explosion. So you just have to drag and drop it, and you have to just connect this defeat to explode. And after connecting this, you will find when you select this debris explosion, you will find asset here. It is asking you to add an asset. If you play this right now, this won't work because it will show an error. uh, it will show an error that asset is null. So for that we will be adding an asset, and for that we will go to the asset library, and we will select the sphere, and then we will select sphere, and we will be changing this name, explosion. And after that we will go to hero and select debris explosion, and in that we will choose our asset to explosion, and we will save that. And now if you play this, you will find something weird happen. So this is because we haven't set the physics of this asset. So let's go to the 3D world, and you can change the physics here as well. You can change the physics here as well, but let's go to the 3D world and double click on explosion, and here select start, and change this physics to dynamic. Because, and if you change this physics to dynamic, and when you play this again, bam, this is good. If you select static or kinematic, again it will show and we show, because this is not exactly what we want. This is not like a the our asset is not affected by the gravity, and we want our asset to be affected by the gravity, so we set this physics to dynamic. There is a one more thing. When you play this and when it collides, you can see it's showing normal color. So this is not we want. So what we do is, again we go to the action, and in action we choose color animation. Where is that? Color animation, yes. So in that color animation, when we play this again, when it collide, and after 1 second it will change the color of this. Even we can change the color, we can set any color, let's say this any choose, and we can when we play this, and yes, it changes color, which is cool. So let's make it this. And also we have to reduce the size of this explosion. So just go to the hero and select every explosion. Minimum scale, you can see it's 0.1. We can make it 0.0, or maximum scale should be 0.0 0.2. And when we play this again, this looks better. I think we should change the color of our hero now, because this is too glossy and not so good. So we can just go here, and we can make this color to yellow. Yeah, this looks, I guess we are back. Yes, this looks fine. So this looks fine, and when we play this, there is a problem. When we play and when it collides, you can see these small balls. When it passes through these gates, the score gets increases. So I want you to fix this. This is a small task of yours, and tomorrow we will be adding labels. Tomorrow we will be adding start game UI and game over UI, and we will be adding sounds in our game. So till then, try to fix this issue, and comment down below if you are facing any issues, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Thank you so much.